grapes. Wonderful grapes.
Oh, yes, the grapes.
Sucker!
But it was at Warner Brothers where Blank signed an exclusive contract in 1941 that this giant of a voice talent thrived for decades to come.
What's up, Doc?
Looney Tunes and more are on MeTV Toons. We now return to more classic cartoons.
What a blizzard. Hit me when I'm not looking, eh? No, knock the stuffers out of you. Take that. Hey, I did knock the stuffings out of him. Well, what do you know? He's a stuffed duck. Stuffed duck, eh? This is where this ingenious little black duck gets himself some free room and board. We'll just put him away in storage for the winter. Hey, fellas, look! Now there's one of our boys that got this flying south business beat.
Oh, this darn income tax would come out all right if I only had a few dependents.
Did you say dependents? You got 'em, bro.